Skul nongpo Nepali Secondary School mentakasngi Sautarik Nailar, kalayo Jingrwkhe ka jingkunjo jongka shau mau mer ubasan posnam, nadu balas senge ka hausnam, khat kendai spa hinyo pulai, kabala Sdang nadu kalai tarik Nailar, bat nakaliang kibor penyat skul kilayo ban penlong ka program Bapher, hadu ban layo Jingrwkhe kerpang ya kanika Golden Jubilee. Hakani ka Jingrwkhe ya ka jingdap san posnam jokani ka skul kibor penyat kila penlong da ka Jingiakop Bapher naga Daki skul joka temri boy kiba kenthop nadu ka Jingiakop shat penrai ka Jingiakop kentip ktien ka Jingiakop dro ka Jingiakop thok khana lungkon bat kiwe hakabalawan baneshim banta daki khatlai tali ki skul kibana ka than ri boy yakani ka program la penlong district library hall balawan baneshim banta do Manish Kumar ADC Ribhoi district kumukongsan haka jingdon lang UCM adhikari senior advocate district court nongpo Madhav Singh president jaga school managing committee kong Rina Mary nyauta principal kinohikai ki khana school bat kiwe haka bakut jogani ka program la yo ru bansa miki khusnam shakinong job haki Jingiakop Bapher.
I dream high, that I should move higher, I have to progress. Like you must have watched Mahendra Dhoni movie, Nnss Dhoni. He was also a cricket character, but he dreamed high. He never left, pursuing his dream. He never left practice, despite the hard job he was pursuing in railway. So always dream high, and your family, your teachers will shape your dream. They will show you the right path. So that you will achieve higher and rise with the flying colors in your personal life. So the second message that I want to give you, always connect with the nature, because nowadays if you see and all of us read in the newspaper that we have disbalances our relations with the nature in our day-to-day life. So in our childhood days or in our young phase, we should connect with the nature, understand its importance, how it shapes our social life, economic life, and how we build better relations with the nature without harming them. The third thing that I want to share, always surround yourself with good friends and wonderful books, because in life two growth happens. One is the physical growth, means biological growth. That happens naturally. You don't have to control that. But most of the time we stop our intellectual growth. We never read. We never pursue the good thoughts. So always pursue a good reading habits. Always keep some good books with you, so that you can nurture your intellectual skills at every time. This is with you all the times. Even you have left this world. Your intellectual capital will remain with you, with your name in this world.